Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a mango. Okay, and so many ways to cut the mango, and today I will show you the easy way and the way I usually cut my mango. Okay, I'm gonna start with the first way, the one very popular in Thailand. Okay, the first one, it will be easy way, and when you cut fruit, of course you have to have like very sharp knife, and this way in Thailand we always cutting this way a lot. Yeah, of course we do have a lot of way to cut it, but this way will be easy. Okay, and you want your mango to look as very nice when you cut, so try to peel them one time, one step. Okay, this is the first way. When you remove the skin already, just hold the mango tight and cut like this, cut through the meat and between the meat and the seed, and hold the top with your thumb and chop it. How big that you like, up to you. Okay, and you can see your mango not get any bruise or anything, because when you cut them you have to hold it very softly and gentle. Okay, this is the first way and the first side, and I will flip the other side and I will show you the other side. Okay, for this one, okay, put them very nice. Okay, and I gonna flip to the other side. This side, this way it will be similar, but I will do a little bit different. Okay, this way I want to slice them kind of thinner, so you can make the shape with the mango, whatever shape that you like to make. So this one you cut them thin. And they're a little bit slippery, you have to be really careful. Okay, and when you slice them thin like this, and then just cut them. Okay. Yep, and then pull them out very slow. Like this way you can make the different shape like this, and you don't want to waste any mango, of course. So you have the mango on the side, you just use the knife to cut on the side, and this was extra for you. Okay, you can eat or do whatever you like for on the side. Okay, now we're done with the first mango, and now I will show you with a different way in the second mango. Okay, I wanna peel them the same. I'm gonna have to peel them first, like normal. Okay, we already peeled the mango, but this one I will want to make the shape look like a leaf. Okay, so you gonna start with the cut the middle like this one, so you can make for your party, make a little bit fancy, good looking. Okay, now you have the middle part look like this. Okay, and I'm gonna change the knife, sorry, to be the small knife. It will be easier for me to make the shape, and go like this, go like this. At this time of year, the mango season in Thailand very popular with the sticky rice and mango. If you go to Thailand and try the sticky rice and mango, you will love them, and very popular in Thailand. Okay, see, look like a leaf like this. Very easy, and then so it will be perfect for your party. You can put on the plate and everybody will thinking is it difficult to do, but actually very easy, right? Okay, and when you already make the look like shape like the leaf like this already, now we can cut them. Same thing in the first way that we cut. Boop, see, now you have the big leaf. And this is might be too big for you, and I can show you for the small leaf on the other side. Okay, for the second side, and you want okay, hold on.
Go.
Okay, and on the other side, you might want to make the leaf a little smaller. Yes, you can do that. Just cut them half like this, but on like this way. Okay, and now you will have one leaf and one leaf over here. All right, turn it to yourself, it will be easier. And start making the middle right like the big leaf. Okay, and use the small knife again. Same thing. Yeah, and really important, the knife have to be sharp. Alright, and I would do the same thing on the bottom one. The second leaf. Make the middle right, the same thing. Okay, and use the small knife again. I know take a little bit of time, but it's not gonna be more than 2 or 3 minutes. And then you will end up with like very, very cute. It's perfect for your party. Alright, and then you have a 2 leaf. Okay, and cut them the same, the first side that you cut them, be careful your hand. Oop. Yep. One leaf and the second leaf I will put on the plate. Okay, and I cut on the side up already, and if you want to make them look perfect, just trim them so they look better. Just trim the bottom out a little bit. See, whatever that you like. Okay, now we have a first way and the second way. Now we're gonna go to the third way. Okay, for this way, same thing. I'm gonna cut the top, and I'm gonna just cut it, not remove the skin. This way, I think it's very popular, and everybody already like to doing this way to make a little bit square inside the skin. Not go too deep, because you're gonna cut the skin. You can make big, or you can make square, or you can make the different size, different angle. It's up to you. Okay, but I'm gonna make just about this, and you just flip the mango like this. I think this way is very popular, and everybody like to do this way. Okay, and I'm gonna do on the other side, but I'm gonna do different on the other side. Okay, and on the other side, same thing. Cut, not have to peel, just cut it with the skin. Alright, and this way we will use the spoon to scoop it. If you don't care for the tape, you just scoop really quick. This one will be easy. And then you can have the mango, you can have the bowl, mango bowl. After you scoop it all out, now we have the skin for making the bowl, and now I'm gonna put it back in. If you want to be better shape, you can cut them to be like small bite size or something and put it back in, but this one it will be easier. The kid gonna like this because you have the mango bowl for them. Alright, and this way. And you can, if you making different dessert, you can keep the bowl for put the ice cream or for put the sticky rice or whatever that you like. Okay, I will move on to the next mango. Okay, I already do 3 mango and I gonna move to the 4th one. And every time when I done with mango, I only clean my knife. It will make more a lot easier. Okay, and I will have the 4th mango. Alright, this will be the last way. I know a lot of ways to cut the mango out there, but today I want to show you the easy to cut and come out look very nice to you, and you can use with different meal or different food that you're gonna making. This one I gonna cut to the little square. And I would tell you which one that I use for what food or what dessert that I use them for. Okay, this one will be little square. Or if you want to cut in the long side, you can just cut it like now, but I want a little square. So I go. If you want smaller, it goes smaller. Alright, and now you not want them to be too thick, you want a little small like this. Okay, so just go 1, 2, 3. Depend how big the you want. Okay. Alright. And on the other side, I will make this square shape too, but this one I will make like bigger, the bigger square because you use for different food. Okay. Now you go big. Okay. Right. Alright, and cut them just one time. Yep. And now you have the big chunk. If you see just this, not cut them through, just go easy because this is a big chunk. Alright. Okay, with 4 mango, I show you how to cut in 8 different ways. The first way, in Thailand, we like to use with sticky rice. This is very classic for us. All of this one, they like to use with the sticky rice. And the 3rd mango, I have the 5 and 6 way. This one, it will be easy for you when you have a party or you wanna to make a presentation very beautiful, so you can just cut a square like this. Same thing with this one, you have the mango bowl, mango skin bowl. You can put ice cream or whatever the salsa, whatever you prefer. Okay, and the last mango, I have 7 and the 8 way. For the small one, you can use for salsa, mango salsa. It will be perfect for you and easy to cut, so you don't have to chop one by one. And for the big chunk, you can use for salad. You can use for salad or you can use for topping. And this 8 different way, very easy for you to cut the mango, come out look good. Okay, and I show you with the last one with the tip. Okay, for the seed in Thailand, when I be the little kid, actually we not cut out on the extra side over here. I forget and then I just stop like that, and I want to show you guys. This is for kid. When our grandma or our mom peel our mango for us, because it's dangerous for kids to peel themselves, so the kid will sit there and waiting for the seed. Whoever cut the mango for you, either mom or grandma or whoever cut the mango for the kid, because the kid of course cannot cut the mango themselves, too dangerous, they will hand you the seed, and we will always go like on the side and so happy and running around, and we always gonna waiting for the seed, because on the seed it's actually sweeter because it's cold to the seed, so they have a sweeter flavor. So this is a tip, just to tell you a little bit the story, our Thai kid, or I don't know, maybe the same with other different country too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.